you are trying to call is currently not reachable. Please try again later. The number you are trying to call is currently not reachable. Please try again later.
So we have performed here is cybercrime. How the people get hacked through the Instagram, WhatsApp, and many other apps. So what done is the hacker will be hacking your app by through your photos, your personal. As we know that we should not share any photo public apps. So I hope you all understood the minds what we have done. Thank you so much.